In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get up to 250 naira and up to 500 naira almost immediately. Alright, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ateya Abibullah. In this channel, I share everything on how to make money online, and if you are a business owner, I share everything on how to scale up your business so that in the long run, you are going to make more profit from your business. Alright, here I have the proof of payments where I got my own cash. I will never share with you the update that doesn't work. Whatever update I share with you, definitely you must make sure that that update is perfectly working. And more importantly is that you should always check my video descriptions, because once I upload video here, I will not be able to change or modify the videos, but I can change the descriptions over and over again. The app that we're going to be making use of is PalmPay. Alright, is PalmPay. It is very important for you to have the app download on your mobile phone. If you don't have the account before, check the video descriptions. You are going to see the link there. When you sign up with my link, you are going to get the referral bonus plus you are going to get the registration bonus plus this update I'm going to share right now. You should make use of this before this end. Alright, you come here when you log into your PalmPay app, you navigate to where this thing will display. It will display. So, and if you check your phone and it's not displaying, don't worry. You just go over to the Google Play Store and update your app. When you update your app, it will surely display something like that, like this. Alright, you tap on this 500 free. Alright, when you do that, you type in your 11-digit NIN. After having done that, you press verify. Next. Okay. Confirm. Great. Your account has been upgraded to tier 1 and continue. Okay, let me add my BVN. So your account has been upgraded and enjoying. Continue. So, and if you like, you can press this complete. So can you see the reward now? Can you see? I have been given this cash reward. I have been given. Okay, this one failed. This is 250 naira almost immediately. Do well to do this. When you have more than one PalmPay account, you can do it and get the reward almost immediately. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy any value or you gain anything from this video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop helpful and amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you. Thank you for making me grow.